He's a naughty boy. He's throwing the things. He threw tomato and see he messes. Come on, you have to clean this. Clean this. Clean here nicely. See here. You have to clean. Come on. Don't do like this. Clean it first. No, you cannot dirty the house. Come on. Come on. See here. Look here. Here, it is dirty. Come on. Wipe it. Wipe it properly. Mama has to work day and night. Mama has to clean. And if you keep dirtying like this, Mama also gets tired. Huh? Don't you think of Mama? If you dirty like this, you have to clean all the time. Understood? Very good. Done? Very good. Now keep that cloth in the bathroom. Come here. No, not there. Not there. In the bathroom. Come here. What is this? Here also. Something is here. Something is here. Come on. Done? Come. Go to the bathroom. Keep that in the bathroom. Then you'll wash your hand. Keep it there. Keep it down. Yes, okay. Now wash your hand there only. Wash your face also. Wash your feet also. Okay. Close it. Close the tap. So now, are you going to come here? Are you going to throw the things now? Are you going to throw the things now? Say, no, Mama. Yeah. I will not do it. Say, I will not do it. Speak out. Speak out. Otherwise, you have to clean like this only every time. Understood? If you spoil all these mats, this who did this? Who did this all cushions? Come and make this also. It's you only who did this. No, with hand. Pick it up. Pick it up with hand. Don't you have hands? Don't you have hands? Come on. Come on. See, every time you do like this. Every time you do like this. See? Come on. Hurry up. Pick it up. Do this. Come on. Good boy. Yes. Very good boy. Very good. Nicely. Keep it nicely. Keep it nicely. That is wrong. Not in that corner. Where Mama keeps? Yes. Very good boy. Yes. No, it's wrong. Good. You must not do like this, okay? Now is it good? Is it good? You need to help Mama. Okay? Now go and have your tea. You will have your tea by yourself. You will finish tea, then I can give you phone. You have to finish. No, you have not finished. I'll show you in the cup. I'll show you your food. Here. See here. Your food is here. You have not finished. Finish it, then I can give you mobile. Don't behave like this. Don't behave like this. Again. Again. Come on. See. If you want bun, if you want hot cross bun there. Okay. You don't want dipped in the tea. Okay. Next time I'll give you. Okay. I'll give you phone, but you have to finish eating. Understood? Yes. What finished back? Stop crying now. Stop crying. What happened? What is? Don't cry. Shh. You are a big boy now. You are not a baby.